The first topic of this course is the objectives. Let's meet Daniel Collins, a supply planner for Top Table, a furniture manufacturer.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I schedule production for products such as the Comfort Max chair and Trueform desk.
Hi, I'm Anna, the Supply Chain Director.
I'm Ron, a business controller.
I'm Susan, the Director of Supply Planning.
I'm Tom, the Sales and Marketing Director. Daniel, what's going on with all these late Office Blast orders?
I've been meaning to talk to you about that. In the last 2 months, we've sold more than the forecast, so production can't produce enough.
That's strange. We ran a promotion the last couple months, so the forecast should have been updated.
That would have been good to know. We need to get back to doing our monthly S&OP meetings.
Definitely. I'll send out the calendar invite. I'm always getting requests for additional budget to invest in more machines. Before I approve those, we've got to be clear about how much we'll need to produce over the next 18 months.
The lack of coordination between departments means Top Table has unhappy customers, planners are stressed by not knowing how much to schedule for production, and Top Table has missed the last 3 quarters' revenue target.